The pharmaceutical industry, and particularly the medical affairs teams, play a pivotal role in shaping patient care. They are integral components of healthcare system. The medical team's influence and contributions are deeply embedded in the patient treatment and healthcare delivery. This central role underscores a fundamental truth. One cannot effectively work in healthcare, engage with healthcare professionals and patients, or contribute directly or indirectly to patient care without a deep understanding of evidence based medicine, its various types of clinical evidence, and the hierarchy governing this evidence. Evidence based medicine is the cornerstone of clinical decision making, ensuring that treatments and interventions are not only scientifically sound but also tailored to individual patient needs. The types of evidence, ranging from randomized controlled trials to expert opinions, each play a distinct role in building a comprehensive understanding of medical treatments and patient outcomes. The hierarchy of evidence further guides healthcare professionals in evaluating the strengths and applicability of different research studies, ensuring the highest quality of evidence informs patient care. For professionals in the pharmaceutical industry and medical affairs like us, this knowledge is a practical necessity. It informs every aspect of our work, from drug development, regulatory compliance, to patient and healthcare professional educations and clinical trial designs and interpretation of data. So, understanding evidence based medicine enables us to make informed decisions, put the right strategies, contribute to the advancements of healthcare, and ultimately improve patient outcomes. Evidence based medicine represents a pivotal shift in healthcare, emphasizing the integration of clinical expertise with the best available clinical evidence from systematic medical research. It's a practice that has fundamentally transformed the medical decision making and healthcare delivery. According to its definition, evidence based medicine is the conscientious, explicit, and judicious use of current best evidence in making decisions about the care of individual patients. It involves a balance of three important elements. One, clinical expertise, and this refers to the skills and experience of the healthcare professionals. It includes his understanding of the patient's unique clinical circumstances and personal preferences. Two, the best research evidence, and this is clinically relevant research, often from basic sciences, but more importantly, from patient centered clinical research. And it involves studies and outcomes that are relevant to each patient care and situation. Three, the patient values and preferences. Recognizing the fact that each patient brings their own set of values and expectations to the clinical encounter, evidence based medicine respects and integrates these individual patient concerns and expectations. The concept of applying scientific evidence to medical practice has been around for centuries. However, it was not until the 1970s and 1980s that the term evidence based began to be commonly used. In the 1960s and 1970s, there was a growing emphasis on clinical epidemiology, which is the study of patterns, causes, and effects in patient populations. This laid the ground for evidence based medicine. And the term evidence based medicine was formally introduced in the early 1990s by a group of epidemiologists at McMaster University in Canada. They emphasized the importance of using empirical evidence to make clinical decisions. In the 1993, Cochrane collaboration was formed, focusing on systematic reviews of randomized trials. And this was a significant step in organizing and disseminating evidence for healthcare decision making. The introduction of internet and digital databases in the late 1990s and early 2000s greatly facilitated the access to medical research, further propelling the evidence based medicine movement. Over time, evidence based medicine principles have been increasingly incorporated into medical education, emphasizing the need for new physicians to apply research findings in clinical practice. Today, evidence based medicine continues to evolve with the advancements in data analytics, personalized medicine, and a growing emphasis on patient centered care. It's not just about applying research findings, but also about integrating these findings with clinical expertise and patient preferences to provide the best possible care for patients.